It takes something special to earn the name Yamaha. You've got to be tough, you've got to be strong, and fast, with more than half a century of engineering know-how welded into your joints. You've got to be agile, nimble, powerful. You've got to be durable. You've got to show up every day, whether that's for work or play. And when you bear the Yamaha name, you don't just show up for the game. You're playing to win. This is the Yamaha of pressure washers. Engineered to not just meet, but to beat the competition. For durability, quality, flexibility, convenience, and of course, performance. This is what happens when Yamaha decides to build a pressure washer. Introducing the all-new PW3028 from Yamaha.